secure glasses must have a strap. Any loose articles like hoodies must go in the bins on the exit platform.
Get on Steel Vengeance?
Oh,
yes.
Yeah, it started up again?
Yep, it sure did.
Right after we left, I bet.
Yep.
Please unbuckle up seatbelts when your train comes to a complete stop. You can put your orange lights on. Exit carefully to your right. I hope you guys have a fantastic first year day. Thank you for riding Maverick. Cross-country riders, enter quickly and carefully because no days will be closing. Once you are seated, pull down your horn bumper, buckle up seatbelts. If you need assistance, friends like you can send me to the right. Quickly check your strength. I hope you guys are ready. If you have one, you have two, and three, and four. That means
Okay.
and you're out of here, guys. Woo! Bye, train one. Bye-bye. Bye, train two. And attention riders. Still, please, go ahead,
Go straight for it.
Yep. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, there's a bird.
I got a wee bird.
Yeah. Don't want the bird strike.
Oh, no bird.
All right.
Oh my God.
Oh, the bird's back. Oh, another bird.
No. No bird.
I hate a bird.
That will be interesting. It's
Oh, my God.
like, seagull.
Bird. Oh, my God.
They know what's up. They're doing it on purpose.
You're doing it on purpose.
Here we go.
Oh, look at the moon.
Oh, yeah. Moon. Here we go. Moon. Oh, good thing I got my eye protection on. God.
Oh, my God.
That was a lot of bugs. I think we got our protein.
Oh, my God.
Oh, that was a lot of bugs.
I hit a bug.
Oh, boy.
My mouth was open.
Yeah, at least when it hit the bird, yeah. Yeah, like, it came right at us almost.
I see a bug flat on my forehead. My last time getting in the front.
Frontsy in the summertime is probably the worst usually. Well, it's not as thick as it normally is, so sometimes you'll see the whole front just plastered.
I saw that I should have seen.
Yeah.
Because like on here.
Yeah, you'll see some bugs plastered. Well, at least you got a good sunset. That was good.
That was fun.